Good morning everyone, how are you? And also welcome to the program, to everybody and also to the new one. You recognize me, I am Gerard Garbe, the French chef, and today we're going to see the Crepes Suzette, the famous French dessert, and we call them Crepes Suzette Flambees with Grand Marnier. How exciting that! Okay, by the way, it's very simple. Here is the ingredients. The ingredients are milk, 250 grams, 2 eggs, 125 grams of flour, a little bit of sugar, 30-50 grams, and a bit of salt. That's all. Now we're going to mix. Firstly, we're going to put the flour. Okay. And the sugar and the salt. First operation. Everybody can do it, okay? And then you stir. What you do now, you do a little well in the middle. We call that in France the fontaine. In the little well, you can add the 2 eggs and beat regularly. You incorporate slowly the flour to the eggs. Like that, you will avoid the formation of lumps, and that's a secret. Then you can add the milk progressively until you have incorporated the whole flour. See, we remove the flour from the side. And we obtain a very smooth cream. All right. And we can put all the flour have been incorporated beautifully. Now what we're going to do with the filter, the sieve, we're going to filter the butter just to be sure there's no shell, eggshell or lump. As you can see, it's a beautiful texture. Beautiful. Oh, look at this consistency. We're going to rest that for 2 hours before we can cook our pancake. Now, with a fork, put a little bit of detail like that. Then we tip over after a few minutes, after 2 minutes 30 exactly. Okay, when it's ready, you tip over and you got a beautiful pancake. Thin, beautiful. Okay, little bit of oil everywhere on the corner, and then okay. Beautiful. Do sometimes if it's spray on top, sometimes it's sandy. Beautiful. Now you check in bottom underneath. 1 more minute for 30 seconds and it'll be perfect. Okay, before lifting, double check. Beautiful. Very nice. Straight away you put some oil. That to flip over. Now the folding. In 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. When you start to caramelize, you add butter. And you add also the zest. And now you can add the orange juice. Okay, now we put our crepe inside the pan. Okay. Now the pancake are drinking all the nice butter Suzette, as you can see. That's some beautiful, plenty of syrup. All right. Okay, now the pancake are drinking on the other side. They're completely full of syrup. So it's time now to dish up. So before we do that, I'm going to put the alcohol there and flame. Can you see the beautiful flame there? The Grand Marnier flaming. Now okay, dish up time. Put that beautiful in the plate like that. Now 1 little scoop of this nice syrup, and remember on top we have confit, this little orange, beautiful, and on top of it we'll be putting a nice cream with a little raspberry on top, and to finish off a little leaf of mint. Okay, and you got this beautiful meal, beautiful pancake for dessert. Ah, la pièce de résistance. Nice little dessert for tonight. Okay, now you try a bit. That smells beautiful. The orange confit, that's very nice. And also you can smell the Grand Marnier, the flavor. The pancake is very tender and it's a delicious meal. Smells good, soft, absolutely beautiful. I hope you can do your own pancake now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye. I hope this video has been useful to you. If yes, thanks for subscribing to my channel.